But it is graduation time for me, so this is a video that I have been so excited to do. I'm so happy to do it because it is my graduation day. Well, not my graduation day, but my graduation cap decoration. And it was like the night before graduation that I was doing this. My graduation was December 13th. So this was the Thursday night that I was actually making, like, decorating my cap. So just about everything in the video I got from Walmart. The letters from Walmart. The glitter backboard that you see, this pink glitter paper, from Walmart. Um, what else did I have? My picture. I actually watched another girl on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below because I can't remember her name right now, but I watched her video and I just loved the way she had the picture of herself cartoon and put on her cap. So I went ahead with that, and I put a motto on the top that I have in my room, which says, a queen will turn pain into power. And I just felt like that was so fitting for me for this year, because throughout the nursing program, year 2019 was kind of difficult for me because, one, I was pregnant throughout the entire program until I had my baby October 24th, which was in the middle of the semester, my final semester, where I had to get 120 precept hours done. Um, and I had to get those done before having him, which I fell 8 hours short. So then I went into labor early. I had my baby, and then I had to come back and finish the remainder of my eight precept hours that I was short, and I had to do an additional 8 hours to make up for 2 days that I actually missed while I was in the hospital having him. So yeah, this year was hard. It was a lot of pain that I went through trying to get through this program, but as my cap will say, I am going to turn it into power because I successfully finished the program and I am graduating tomorrow. And I just felt like the cap was fitting to my situation.
On our own, we jump, we fall, forgotten world. We're running out, running out, running out now. Won't hide away anymore like yesterday, 'cause we're running out now. You can see us.
So I'm putting tape on the cap right here. Like, I just put tape on the sheet just to keep it in place while I went ahead and decorated it. But I actually went back and used my hot glue gun and hot glued it to make sure it stayed on the cap. That way it wouldn't fall off. I just cut a little circle in the middle for the part where I had to put um my what is it called? My satchel on the cap. So yeah, you'll see I'll start putting the letters. I just like to lay everything out after I cut each letter out. I went ahead and laid it to place it and see how I wanted it. Oh, and I also had flowers. So the flowers came, everything came from Walmart. The flowers, the glitter paper, the letters, which were like a white glitter letter, very pretty. Everything came from Walmart except for my glue gun. Yeah, my glue gun actually came from Walmart. Glue sticks came from Dollar Tree. Scissors from Dollar Tree. Tape was from Dollar Tree. This is the picture that I was talking about. It's an old picture of me before I cut my hair, but I really liked it. I just went ahead and used Pick Monkey, cropped in a graduation cap on my head, and then I used the same app that from the video that I was saying I watched, which was, let's see, that app was, I don't remember, but I'll link her video down so you can see which app it was. She talks about it in her video, and it cartoons you. You can adjust it to whatever your liking is. And then I just sent it to my email, and I went to Office Depot and had it printed because I was out of ink on my printer. So I went to Office Depot. They printed it for like 20 cents in color, and then I cut it out, and you can see I have to fold it right here to get it placed how I wanted it on the cap and not take up too much space. So it worked out fine.
Running up now, I won't hide away anymore like yesterday, 'cause we're running up now. You can see it in our eyes, we won't look away. This time we're here to stay, so we're running up now. We're fighting, we collide, crashing every day. And if you feel afraid, we won't leave you. Time has come to stand our ground and close the door to paralyze stereotype fucked up minds. Every day there's a choice where to go, and you can turn it around. You can see it in our eyes, we won't look away. This time we're here to stay, so we're running up now. We're fighting, we collide, crashing every day. And if you feel afraid, we won't leave you. There's a man sitting next to you with a scarf around his head, and when it's down to the last end, he could be the one that saves you. And there's a woman driving in the car, and she talking her phone when you're crossing the street, and she could be the one that kills you. You can see it in our eyes, we won't look away. This time we're here to stay, so we're running up now. We fight and we collide, crashing every day. And if you feel afraid, we won't leave you.
Decorating the cap probably cost me a total of maybe $15, maybe, I want to say, because the flowers I bought two bouquets. It was one bouquet of whites and one bouquet of pinks, and they were $1 each. So that's $2 at Walmart. And then the pink paper for the background was $2. The letters was $2. So that's 2, 4, 6. What else? My picture cost me 20 cents, so 2.20. And the most expensive thing I paid for was the beads. You're going to see where I put these pearls along the perimeter of the cap. And I paid, I think, $10 for those beads. Those pearls, that string of pearls from Walmart. It was maybe eight or $9, something of that nature. So yeah, you can see it in the corner of the tray. And I'm going to cut it to fit around the perimeter of the cap after I put the flowers on. And yeah, that's about how much I spent for the cap. So it didn't really cost me much at all. So this is the finished look. This is my cap. It took me about 30 minutes to do. So I hope y'all enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.